Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we discuss about what is robotics and how does it works. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be opened. You just click in the search bar and search what is robotics. When you search, the website page will be opened. You just click in this website what is robotics definition. When you click this website, the page will be opened. What is robotics and how does it works? Robotics is a branch of engineering and computer science that is involved in conception, design, manufacture and operation of robot. The object of robotics field is create intelligent machine that is assist for human and variety of ways. Robotic can be take for a number of forms. A robot might be resemblance of your human and be in the form of your robotic applications such as robotic process automation, which is stimulation how human engage with your software and perform your repetitive rules and based tasks. While you have to field of robotic and explorations of your potential users to functionality of robots and how to grow substantially in the 21st century, and certainly it is new. The early history of robotics. The term of robotic is an extension of the word robot. Once you have to the first users came from the writer Karl Kapp, who used for the word in the 1920 and the Rusum for your. However, in the 1940, the Oxford English Dictionary created science of friction and authored Lake for your principal guidance for your behavior and automations, robots, smart and machines. Robots must be never harm human beings. Robots must follow instructions from a human without violating rule 1. Robots must be have to protect themselves without violating the other rules. His name and 3 laws of robotic has survived for the present days. However, it is will be have to note until the couple of decades later. 1961 first programmable robot called is Unimate derived from Universal Automations, and we created the best of design from 50s move of scalding metal pieces and die cast for your machine. Robotic applications. Today, industrial robots as well as many other types of robots and used for the perform repetitive tasks. This is can be a traditional humanoid robots. Industrial robots are the robots that are the arm of used and manufactured are the warehouses such as those owned by Amazon and Best Buy. To function in a combination of computer programming and algorithm was remotely controlled manipulator, authoritator control system, action processing and precision, real-time sensor and the elements of your automation help to inform what is the robotic system does. Some additional applications of robot including the following: home electronics. Vacuum cleaner are the lone homeowner and the program to automatically perform tasks without human interventions. Human home monitoring. This is include a specific type of robot that can be monitor home energy using a provide that is security monitoring services such as Amazon Astro. Artificial intelligence. Robotics is the widely used in AI and machine learning ML process, especially the recognized object, natural languages process, predictive maintenance and process automation. Data science. The field of data science is the realized robotic of perform tasks including data cleaning, data automation, data analysis, and automatically detection. Law enforcement and materiality. Both law and enforcement are the materiality for the heavily and over reports. It can be used for the surveillance and recommendation of missions. Robotic is also used for improved solidisters, mobility and battlefield. Mechanical engineering. Robotic is the widely used for manufacturing operations such as it is the inspection for pipelines, corrections, testing, structural integrity and for building peoples. Robotics aside for the development is the smart factor. Robotic assist for the surgery and device for the automations vehicles. Nanotechnologies. Robotics is the extensively used for the manufacturing of microelectronic systems, which is the process of creative integrated system. Bioengineering and healthcare. Surgical robots, assistive robot that is the lab robot and the telemachines robot that are the examples of robotic used for the field in the healthcare and bioengineering. Aerospace is the robotic that we use for the drilling, printing, coaching, inspiration and maintenance of the aircraft components. Types of robot. There are designed for the perform specific task and operation in different environment. This is the following of our common types of robot are used for the various industries: industrial robot, services robot, automotive vehicles, human and robots, cobots, agriculture robot, exploration and space robots, defense and military robots, educational robots, and entertainment robots.